Hello friends, welcome to your first day of 11th. First of all, congratulations and welcome. See now friends, why congratulations and why welcome? Congratulations for one thing, you cleared your 10th with very good marks. You have come across the satisfaction of your parents, your own target. Yes, I want to get this much marks and you have got it. So this is what you have achieved. Remember, whatever you have got, whatever marks you have, that is our achievement. So congrats for that. And then second thing, welcome. Welcome in 11th. Welcome in Quran classes. Welcome in your college educational life. Remember friends, in our overall life, the college education plays very important role. Now we are outside our school and into the college. College is a very nice place where you can learn so many things. Therefore, come across our schooling system, come across our philosophy, our thinking of school. One he is from my school, one he is from different school. No, now we have to get attached with a different group, and this group will be now our friends group. This group will be now our Quran group. So just come across who is from my school, who is from another school, who is from my place, and all these things. Okay, so welcome to 11th, welcome to Quran and welcome to accountancy. See friends, now this subject is there in your total index of subjects. From first standards to 10th standard you have gone through different subjects, but accountancy is new one, and as it is new one, you have to take interest in accounts. Okay, come on friends. But before we go to the other all things, you all are in commerce now. So commerce, what commerce is, what accounts is, we are going to understand all these in coming days. Actually, I'll tell you one thing. After getting good score, so many people are around our society telling us, "Arey, you are having so nice marks. Why you are going to commerce?" No, commerce is the best faculty nowadays. Commerce is the best line in which you can learn so many aspects. We are having 1,000 number of different educational qualification, degrees and achievements in our commerce. So you are at right place and right faculty to come across your marks. Whatever you have earned as your marks in 10th, you have to improve it in commerce. And yes, I am there with you friends, don't worry. Oh, ये सारी बातों में मैं अपना इंट्रोडक्शन तुमको करवाना भूल गया. Yes friends, myself Sanjay Madhukar Koranne. My name is Sanjay Koranne. Make a proper pronunciation. Koranne, Kurana, no, nothing like that. Koranne, very simple. Whatever my name is, same is the name of my class. Sanjay Koranne. Okay. Yes, I have completed my MCom, my MPhil and CA final. I have cleared first group. I am not a chartered accountant. For that second group, my CA is incomplete, and that's why only I am here in front of you to teach you the accounts. Remember friends, I started my career as a lecturer in way back in 1985. For doing the lecturership for 4 years, then I started up with my own academy, Koranne Commerce Academy, in 1989, and since then I am continuously teaching accountancy. So overall, including that college teaching experience and my academy experience, this is my 35th year in teaching and 31st year of my class academy. Okay, So friends, you are in the hands of a very experienced teacher in our place. No one else is senior to me. All others are after Quran age. So here you are with one very good hand of commerce, and I will be teaching you the real science of accounting. Yes, accounting is a science. So this real science I am going to teach you. Friends, while going through the accountancy, I'll tell you one thing what our subject is, because in your minds you are having n number of questions. What will be accountancy, how the teacher will be there, what will be the sense of understanding, everything is there new for us, what we'll do. Don't worry, accounts is a very simple science, very simple technique. It is a technique of practice. Friends, you know one thing, in our life for success you need practice. Then let it be your game, let it be your acting, or let it be your studies. We know Virat Kohli, but though now during this coronavirus he is not allowed to play anywhere, still in house he is making practice, he is making his jogging work. So he is busy with his practice, right? Practice makes man perfect, and this is the only sense applicable to accountancy. Whatever you make practice, you will get more and more in accounts. Accounts is a game of practice. Accounts is a game of concepts. I'll be teaching you everything through concept. I don't like to teach just by sum up. रट्टा नहीं, concept. जो भी पॉइंट है वो इतना अच्छे से समझ लो कि आपको पॉइंट अच्छे से ध्यान में रहेगा और वो परमानेंटली अपने दिमाग में बैठेगा. अपने क्लास का एक मेन, वी आर हैविंग अवर मेन पंच लाइन, वी आर कंसेप्ट ओरिएंटेड. Quran is our concept oriented. So we are going to understand here full concepts of our accounts, of our subject. This is purely scoring subject. Whatever you want to understand in account is based on concept first thing, and now from 11 till whatever end you will go on learning in commerce, accounts will be with you. Accounts is going to support you everywhere, to make score you everywhere. Yes, you can easily score 100 out of 100. I am there with you, don't worry. And what will be the way of teaching? See, I like to teach you in simple words. I'll be teaching not in a technical manner. I'll be teaching in just a lucid, user-friendly manner. Everything must be understood, and for this understanding, your concept clarity is very much required. In our batch, there will be limited number of students, so I'll be having one-to-one approach to all of you. This will help a lot. Actually, accountancy is a systematic learning subject for which you need not to go in a group, in a big mob. You must have personal touch. This is with us. Whatever you want to understand, whatever I'll tell, just go on asking me frankly. अच्छा, पूछते वक्त बिल्कुल भी हिचकिचाना नहीं है. जो भी कंसेप्ट है वो कंसेप्ट अपने दिमाग में एकदम पक्की रहनी चाहिए. जो ध्यान में नहीं आएगा वो बिल्कुल बेझिझक पूछो. जिसने की शर्म उसके पुटे करम. शर्माना बिल्कुल नहीं. सर को जो भी पूछना है. अभी देखो, while talking I have started with English, now I am getting converted into Hindi and English whenever required. Our subject is in English, no doubt, but still, see friends, our understanding must be in our mother tongue, and be proud of whatever mother tongue you do have. Now you know one thing, sir knows English, right? Okay, सर को हिंदी भी आती है बराबर, मला मराठी पण छान बोलता है तो. So whatever doubt you do have in your mind, please ask me frankly, so that I'll get it cleared और यहाँ आते वक्त सारे डाउट लेके आओ, यहाँ से जाते वक्त एकदम हंसते खिलखिलाते एकदम स्मार्ट फेसेस से जाओ। घर पे टेंशन लेके नहीं जाना। इवन घर पे अपन जो भी करते रहेंगे, सी दोस्तों, यहाँ पर एक बात है, आप जो भी यहाँ पढ़ेंगे वो पढ़ते वक्त क्या ध्यान में नहीं आ रहा है, ये क्या पूछूं कैसे पूछूं इसमें मत रहो। सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग, मैं अगर बीच में कोई डाउट पूछता हूँ तो सब हंसेंगे, बाकी लोगों को क्या लगे, फॉरगेट इट, मुझे पूछना है मैं पूछ लूँगा। जिनको क्लास में पूछते आएगा ज़रूर पूछो, जिनको क्लास के बाद में रुक के पूछना है ज़रूर पूछो। बाद में अभी फ़िलहाल शुरुआत में अपने कोई सेशंस ऑनलाइन चल रहे हैं, बेझिझक अपना सेशन ख़त्म होते से मुझे कॉल करो, मुझे मैसेज करो, एसएमएस करो, आई विल रिप्लाई यू। पर जो भी डाउट है ना, मन में मत रखो, मेरे तक आने दो, मैं उसके ऊपर हर बात पे सॉल्यूशन है, हर बात का रिप्लाई मेरे पास है, आई एम देयर, डोंट वरी। और अकाउंटेंसी का अपना जो भी टेंशन है वो आज से सीधा सीधा कुरान सर के कंधे पे डाल देना, आई एम देयर, डोंट वरी। बस अकाउंट्स है ना, सर है अपने, ऐसा सोच के चलो एंड बी फ्रैंक। ये बात तय हो गई कि जो भी अपना डाउट रहेगा वो डाउट यहाँ से लेके घर पे नहीं जाएंगे। डाउट जो भी रहेगा, वट एवर बी द डाउट, इट शुड गेट क्लियर हियर ओनली। अच्छा, इन कुरानेज यू आर गोइंग to learn accountancy, not learn accountancy, you are going to enjoy the accountancy। हमको सारा accountancy साल भर हंसते खेलते हुए मस्त मुस्कुराते हुए सीखना है। We don't want to learn, we want to enjoy accountancy। इसके लिए जो भी डाउट रहेगा वो डाउट घर पे लेके जाना नहीं, ये बात तय, ये बात पक्की, बराबर। बाकी मैं हमेशा आपके साथ में हूँ, अकाउंट्स में, कॉमर्स में, जो भी जहाँ पर भी अपनी गाड़ी अटकती है, बस कुरान सर है, बिंदास सर को पूछो, जो भी डाउट है क्लियर कर लो, मन के अंदर उसके बारे में कुछ भी टेंशन नहीं रहना चाहिए। ओके दोस्तों, सब्जेक्ट बहुत आसान है, टीचिंग एकदम सिंपल रहेगा, आपको मेरे साथ में ये सब कुछ आखिरी तक कंटिन्यू रखना है। आई वॉन्ट 1-to-1 रिलेशनशिप। देखो दोस्तों, दूसरे क्लास में हाँ चलो स्टैंड अप, टेल मी योर नेम, व्हाट आर योर मार्क्स, आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू सेग्रीगेट एनीवन बाय मार्क्स। तुम्हारे जो भी मार्क्स है ना वो तुम्हारी मेहनत है, मुझे सिर्फ तुम्हारी मेहनत को सक्सेस में कन्वर्ट करके देना है। योर एफर्ट्स एंड माई गाइडेंस, वी विल टेक एवरीवन टू 100 आउट ऑफ 100। अच्छा, 12th के मार्क्स मेन रहते, 11th में नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। 11th का बेस है, 11th का बेस है, ये बेस के ऊपर 12th में हमको जो भी सीखना है वो मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट डिपेंड रहेगा। ठीक है दोस्तों, चलो आज पहले सेशन में इतना ही। रोज अपन स्टेप बाय स्टेप आगे धीरे धीरे बढ़ते जाएंगे और अकाउंटेंसी अपने अंदर एक अपना फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट बनाने के लिए मैं तो रेडी बैठा हूँ। बस आपके कंसेंट का इंतज़ार है, आपके इंटरेस्ट का इंतज़ार है। टेक इंटरेस्ट एंड एंजॉय अकाउंट्स। थैंक यू।